I'm Cal Koopmans. I run a drone lab called Aggie Air, and along with collaborators at North Carolina State University and Navajo Technical University, among others, we have created a wirelessly charging drone platform we call a vertiport for medicine and other critical supply delivery. It's a place for drones to take off and land vertically. The one we made has power available wirelessly, so the drone can fly at its maximum range, deliver as far away as possible, land and charge without any human intervention. Researchers at NC State University created a vertiport which allows the drone to land, charge wirelessly, and then continue on its mission. Researchers at Navajo Technical University created a cooled pod. Basically, it's a flying refrigerator. It allows hospitals, clinics, or even emergency services to receive critical supplies like vaccines or snakebite antivenom at the maximum range of a drone. And it also lowers the technical skill requirement for those people to receive, because the drone flies, it lands autonomously, it charges autonomously, it takes off and continues on its mission autonomously. We went through a process called integration, where we put everything together and then we took it out into a cornfield and we did multiple tests to show that the system could cool the payload, could fly, land on the vertiport and charge, and then take off fully autonomously. There are ways to fly bigger drones, but focusing on this 55-pound class made this project applicable to the widest number of drones, and extending the range of the widest number of drones has the biggest impact. This vertiport and drone and payload combination allows deliveries in a way that was never before possible, and most people didn't think was possible. We show the future of the drone infrastructure. We're proving that technologies like wireless power transfer and cooling, active cooling in the air are not just possible, but practical solutions for these kinds of problems. And so in the end, it is a functional system. It's a flying symphony.